Meghalaya's Kongthong village, which is also known as the Whistling Village, recently honored Prime Minister Narendra Modi by making him a part of a unique tradition that goes back centuries. In this village, located in the lush rolling hills of the northeast state, everyone's name is a melody as mothers compose a special tune for each child when it is born. Everyone in the village, inhabited by the Khasi people, then addresses the person with the individual little tune or whistle for a lifetime. They have conventional real names too, but they are rarely used. Kongthong, around 60 kilometers from the capital Shillong, has long been cut off from the rest of the country. Several hours of tough trek from the nearest town, and the center has taken up the initiative to put the village on the map by promoting tourism. The Ministry of Tourism recently nominated the village for the UNWTO Best Tourism Villages contest from India. To thank the Prime Minister for his efforts, a tune was composed by a woman in the village in his honor. A video of the same was shared by Prime Minister Modi after it was posted by Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Twitter. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said he was grateful for this kind gesture.